Hi friends, Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a STEM activity for you to do today. So you can see I have some Play-Doh out. So what I would like you to do is get some paper and write numbers from 0 to 9. Make them a good size, and I'll show you how big I made mine. So a good size, because what you're going to do is you're going to reach into your Play-Doh, make some lines of Play-Doh so that you can cover up and make numbers with Play-Doh. So I just have one color of Play-Doh, but I thought if you have more than one color that you can make a pattern. Make every other number a different color. If you have two colors, that would be cool to make a pattern with different colored numbers. So here I'm going to show you, I've made a few numbers. So on this page, I have the numbers 1 and 3, or the number 13, if you want to say that. And here I have the number 4, and I have the number 7 already. So unfortunately I just have one color, but if you have more than one color of Play-Doh, then I encourage you to do a pattern, because it's fun to make patterns. Maybe you even have 3 colors of Play-Doh, so you can make a pattern with 3 colors. So then if you get all your numbers made and you still want to make some different things, how about you print some letters, and then you can cover up your letters with Play-Doh too. So you make Play-Doh numbers, and Play-Doh letters of the alphabet. Maybe you could even write your name with Play-Doh. So have fun, get out your Play-Doh, get some paper, draw some numbers, and then if you have more than one color, make a pattern. Awesome, have fun.